Today we're going to look at the question of overpopulation, why it's a growing problem and what solution we might find for it in the future. Overpopulation, simply put, is a situation where there are more people than there are resources, food, water, land, energy to support them. When an area becomes overpopulated, one or more of the following things will happen: people will go hungry, pollution will increase, unemployment will rise, people might even begin to fight over the limited resources. But overpopulation is an issue that divides opinion. Some say that overpopulation has to be controlled. The American biologist, Paul Ehrlich, wrote in his 1968 book, The Population Bomb, that medical science had advanced too far and we were keeping too many people alive. Ehrlich predicted that as a result millions of people would starve to death. But the population has doubled since then to 7 billion and, at the current rate, is going to reach 9 billion by 2050. Mass starvation hasn't happened, because in the 1970s and 80s, scientists developed better seeds and better pesticides to increase food productivity. That is why other experts in the scientific community say that people will always find a technological solution to such problems. They say that we are about to enter an even more productive era of safer and cheaper food with the help of biotechnology and nanotechnology. The real question is, have we now reached a point with incomes rising and the world's middle class expanding where we cannot simply rely on science to provide the answers? Do we, instead, have to start reducing our consumption? But the problem, as the 18th century English economist Thomas Malthus pointed out, is that people are basically lazy. They won't act unless they have to. Malthus claimed that the population will continue to grow until war, disease, or famine arrive to stop it.